Welcome to Right Instrument. Today we introduce the RT-109G high-precision servo plate hot press machine. Widely applied in 4 key industries: 3C electronics, medical devices, automotive components, and precision hardware manufacturing. Equipped with an advanced servo closed-loop pressure control system, the RT-109G provides stable pressure output, accurate temperature control, and reliable molding performance. The machine features high-temperature resistant heating plates, PLC touchscreen control, automatic pressurization, pressure holding, and automatic reset functions. It is widely used in laboratories, universities, research institutes, and industrial material testing applications. Now let's take a quick look at the machine structure. This is the upper heating plate. This is the lower heating plate. The machine adopts high-hardness steel heating plates with excellent temperature uniformity and durability. Here is the PLC touchscreen control system for temperature, pressure, and time settings. The machine is also equipped with safety protection devices and an emergency stop button for safe operation. Step 1. First, connect the power cord and turn on the air switch. Turn on the main power switch. Release the emergency stop button. The touchscreen will enter the startup interface. Press Enter System to access the operating screen. Firstly, we enter the manual interface. We need to find an origin point. First, place the sample in the middle of the pressure plate, and then we will set the contact distance, origin, between the upper pressure plate and the sample. We adjust the contact distance between the pressure plate and the sample by pressing the up/down button. Leave a distance of 2 to 3 mm between the upper pressure plate and the sample. After finding this origin, record the current position, 223.16 mm. Click Return, then Parameter. The default password is 1, and users can change it. Set 223.1 mm for degassing origin position. Set 223.0 mm for contact position. They have a distance difference of 0.1 mm to provide protection. Set the return position of the pressure plate after testing to 50 mm. Before testing, it is necessary to set the origin position properly. When we click the Return Home button, the pressure plate opens to its maximum stroke. The current position will become 0. Now it's the farthest position between the two pressure plates. The current position has been reset to 0. Step 2. Set temperature. Enter the parameter settings screen. Turn on the heating function. Set the upper and lower platen temperatures according to the material requirements. The following is the temperature deviation. The system will only start timing when the temperature is within plus or minus 3 degrees of the set temperature. Our temperature can be set in segments, so open this temperature link to ensure that the timing of each segmented test step is accurate. This temperature deviation can be set according to one's own needs. This must be true non to be effective. The pressure for each test segment can also be set here. Below it are the temperature settings for the upper and lower pressure plates, as well as the holding time settings, which can be adjusted as needed. These speed settings do not need to be changed, just keep them as default. After setting it up, we can save it by number for future use and viewing. Step 3. Set pressure and time. Set the required molding pressure. Set the preheating time and holding time. If required, set the venting cycle parameters. If it's set to 0 here, there's no need to exhaust. To exhaust, set the exhaust frequency. Number 1 means exhaust once. The exhaust pressure is this 2 kilograms. Step 4. Place the sample. Wear heat-resistant gloves before operation. Open the platen area carefully. We have only conducted one segment of testing now. I can't start it now, because it wasn't closed. I am currently conducting a test at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Then press for 30 seconds. 800 kilograms of pressure. Hold the pressure for 30 seconds. Then start it up. The upper pressure plate will quickly move downwards, arriving at the origin just set. 219. You see, it's slowing down now. The force here is slowly exerting pressure. Slowly go down here. Initial pressure of 5 kilograms. The preheating time is 5 seconds. Then start venting. Now start pressurizing to 800 kilograms. Because the sample is deformed under pressure. So during the testing process, this force will bounce around 800 kilograms. This is a normal phenomenon. You can check the timing here. Stop applying pressure after 30 seconds, press the pressure plate, and return to its original position. The instrument will also have sound and light alarm prompts. The upper pressure plate is returning to its original position. Even if it reaches a position of 150 millimeters, it will return to its original position. At the same time, the pop-up window on the screen will automatically close. Okay, there are no pop-ups anymore. Then we can take out our samples. You can observe whether its status is satisfactory.